Many people say they are experiencing mental health challenges, from politics to the economy and to plane crashes. In her Eye on Health report today, Latrice Curry talks with a local doctor who has some advice on how to deal with this issue and improve your mental health.
Not since the pandemic have doctors seen such a large number of people dealing with mental health issues.
It allowed people to really become familiar with mental health, not be as opposed to it, recognizing that they themselves might need assistance.
Now, 5 years later, Dr. Henderson says she is seeing more patients come in dealing with current issues, everything from politics to climate change to the economy, worried if they'll have a job or be able to take care of their family.
Currently, we have other societal things that are happening, really putting people on edge. And so they're coming in with a high level of distress, really anxious, uncertain about the future. Some people experience depression. And obviously, we also have PTSD within our community as well.
Unfortunately, people in some communities are less likely to seek help.
However, in communities of color, it is more prevalent. Things like the church, which is a great resource, and sometimes people and their families just have sort of misconceptions about mental health.
Some key areas Dr. Henderson focuses on: anxiety.
If you're so overwhelmed or so nervous or concerned about leaving your house and you're starting to isolate, that would be problematic.
Depression.
Having a persistent low mood, something, we all have those ups and downs, sad days or whatnot, but if it's persistent.
PTSD.
PTSD symptoms can be induced by any kind of trauma.
If you find yourself experiencing any of these symptoms or conditions, Dr. Henderson says in addition to seeking professional help, there are some coping mechanisms you can use.
Make sure that you're connecting with other people. You mentioned journaling, getting out in nature, exercising.
Latrice Curry with that report. If you or anyone you know is in need of support, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline provides free confidential support. And the number is 800-273-8255. TALK 8255. You can also call the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. And if you'd rather text, the Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network Crisis Text Line will connect you to a crisis counselor. To use it, just text TN to this number, 741-741.